how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So firstly you have to open up the Instagram application, and then from over here just simply click on the bottom right on your profile picture. Then simply click on your followers. Now once you click on followers, the first method is to just basically type in the name of the person you want to see if he or she is following you or not over here. Once you guys put in the name of that particular person over here, then you guys are going to be able to see if he or she is following you. If they are following you, well then you are going to be able to see the following button on the right side. But if they are not following you, well then you won't be able to see the following button on the right side, and you will not see them following you. Now this is the manual method, and this takes up quite a lot of time. Another option for you guys is to just simply open up the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending upon if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, and then type in over here unfollower check. So once you guys type in unfollower, then after that you guys can basically see how many people are unfollowing you. So over here just simply open up this first application, repost plus followers and followers, and then from over here just simply click on get, and then this particular application is going to let you see all the accounts that are unfollowing you, all your story viewers, all your strange viewers, and the people that have blocked you as well. So like this is an amazing application, and you can see all of the people who unfollow you using this application. This is very unfortunate that even in 2022 we don't have any feature on Instagram that could just tell us how many people are unfollowing us. We always have to resort to third-party ways to see this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow as well. Goodbye.